So we're here with Al, who handles all of our window installations here for Ross Brothers. Al, tell us a little bit about the window selection and why we used it.
So this is the Sparta window. It's the new line to the CGI brand. It comes with 7/16 glass compared to other manufacturers that come with 5/16. It automatically comes with the upgraded stainless steel hardware for the coastline, as well as for inland. Other manufacturers don't come up with it. It's got stainless steel wheels, concealed tracks. They come in white and bronze. We got, on this one, we have a gray tint to help with the solar heat gain. On this one here, with the inner layer and the 7/16 glass, you got a 0.42, which is really low compared to other manufacturers with your standard UV values.
I noticed that we put a gray tint on it, and I was a little concerned that, you know, it would mess with the visibility, because I knew that was really important to the homeowners. I'm pleasantly surprised of, you know, how well we can see out, but still having a coefficient to really help a little bit with the sun and,
Absolutely.
and break down on the heat coming into the house. So it's a nice mixture. I wouldn't know that that was tinted if you didn't tell me.
Oh, if you're standing outside, you'd notice. From the inside, since you have the light in here, you can clearly see outside. It doesn't really block your
Now, will that
visibility.
change at night when these lights might be a little bit dimmer and the lights are on outside?
They will. It'll have the reverse effect. As soon as the inside of the house gets brighter and the outside comes to night, you'll be able to see from the outside in a
Okay.
little more than the outside out. But
Obviously, I know we install a lot of other brands over at CGI, but you know, in this particular house, we went with the CGI Sparta. What was the main thrust behind us choosing that door?
the quality of the door, the hardware that it comes with automatically, not having to kind of like put it together, and their service when we need it.
Yeah, CGI is a great brand. They stand behind the product. We've used them a lot. And I have to tell you, when I open and close those doors, they're like butter. It's very, very easy
Absolutely.
to do.
That's a common trait from the CGI doors.
And I also like the locking mechanism. I noticed that that one is very easy, and most of the times I have a hard time opening up. I have never had a problem with the CGI
Yeah,
door.
that's actually their newer series lock for the Sparta. It's a great mortise. Opens and closes. You got double mortise locks on there for extra security. You'll never have a problem again.
Yeah, very nice.